So welcome back students. I just go ahead in this chapter. I started right away at the Montessori Nursery School. I started right away at the Montessori Nursery School. Means she started going to school. I stayed there until I was 6. Until I was 6 means until she was 6 years old, she went to Montessori Nursery School. At which time I started in the first form. First form means class first. At that time when she was 6 years old, she was in class first. In the sixth form, my teacher was Mrs. Cuperus, the headmistress. When she was in sixth standard, her headmistress you can say the head lady, head teacher of the school, she was Mrs. Cuperus. At the end of the year, we were both in tears as we said a heartbreaking farewell. Means at the end of that year, when sixth class she passed, there was a very gloomy atmosphere because both her head teacher and Anne Frank were getting apart. They were this was a farewell, and they were not going to meet again. So this shows that Anne Frank and the head teacher both has a very close bonding between them. In the summer of 1941, grandma fell ill and had to have an operation. In the summer of 1941, grandma fell ill and had to have an operation. Means to she has to pass under an operation. उनको एक ऑपरेशन करवाना पड़ा. So my birthday passed with little celebration. So that year her birthday could not be celebrated properly. Grandmother died in January 1942. In summer 1941 she was operated. In 1942 grandma died. No one knows how often I think of her and still love her. Means nobody can understand that to what extent Anne Frank was loving her and missing her. This birthday celebration in 1942 was intended to make up for the others, and grandmother's candle was lit along with the rest. She says, when in 1942 my birthday was celebrated, one more candle was put up on the cake on behalf of my grandmother. This was the love between grandmother and granddaughter. Yes, the four of us are still doing well, and that brings me to the present date of 20 June 1942 and the solemn dedication of my diary. Solemn dedication means sacred dedication. Sacred dedication of my diary means to say on 20th June 1942 Anne Frank started writing diary. Right? I think you understood, beta. If you have any problem, you can share with me. Here starts the diary. First entry, Saturday 20 June 1942. Dearest Kitty, our entire class is quaking in its boots. Quaking in its boots means whole class was shaking with fear and nervousness. Shaking with fear and nervousness. Quaking in its boots means they were afraid of, they were nervous. The reason, of course, is the forthcoming meeting in which the teachers decide who will move up to the next form and who will be kept back. What was the reason? That on that particular day their result was to be declared by the teacher, that how many students are going to be promoted for the next class and how many students are being detained. Half the class is making bets. Half the class means this is a very natural thing. You might have also felt in your life that before the result declaration you also talk to your friend and you just do bets that कौन 80% लेगा, कौन 90% लेगा और कौन क्लास में फर्स्ट आएगा. सो दे वर मेकिंग बेट्स मतलब शर्त लगा रहे थे. GN and I laugh ourselves silly at the two boys behind us. GN is the friend of Anne Frank. They both girls were laughing badly because two boys who were sitting behind them, CN and Jax, who have staked their entire holiday saving on their bet. Staked का मतलब to put on risk, दाव पर लगा देना. Why? They were laughing because उनके पीछे जो दो बच्चे बैठे थे, कौन? CN and Jax. उन्होंने अपनी टोटल सेविंग्स जो थी उसकी शर्त लगा रखी थी. No, I am not. Yes, you are. Sorry, I missed a line. From morning to night. From morning to night means from morning to night during the school period. It's you are going to pass. No, I am not. Yes, you are. No, I am not. Even GS pleading glances and my angry outburst can't calm them down. मतलब पूरे दिन यही बात चल रही, तुम पास हो जाओगे, दूसरा कहता है नहीं मैं नहीं हो पाऊंगा, तुम नहीं हो जाओगे पास. The such kind of things are going on around the class and the same word. And even she says that outburst can't calm them down. ये इस बात से नाराज भी हो गई, गुस्सा भी हो गई कि क्या ये तुम सारे दिन ऐसे करते रहते हो. But these words could not affect and they keep on talking on the same way. If you ask me, there are so many dummies that about a quarter of class should be kept back. But teachers are the most unpredictable creature on earth. She says that many dummies are there. Many dummies means many students are there who are not worth sitting in this class, worth promoting to the next class. They are dummies and a quarter of the class, लगभग 25% स्टूडेंट्स तो ऐसे हैं, they should be kept back. उनको वापस उसी क्लास में रखा जाना चाहिए. They should not be promoted. But teachers are the most unpredictable creature on earth. She is also making fun कि जो टीचर होते हैं वो सबसे अनप्रेडिक्टेबल, जिनके बारे में कुछ कहा नहीं जा सकता कि कब क्या सोचे, क्या डिसीजन ले, ये दुनिया पर सबसे अनप्रेडिक्टेबल प्राणी होते हैं टीचर्स. I am not so worried about my girlfriends and myself. Girlfriends means all those girls which were friend of Anne Frank. So she says that I am not worried about myself and my girlfriend. We will make it, means we will pass it. The only subject I am not sure about is maths. Maths was the big problem for Anne Frank. Anyway, all we can do is wait. Until then, we keep telling each other not to lose heart. Means they are also consoling them. They are just encouraging each other that okay, don't lose heart, things will be better and you will be promoted to the next class. So students, you can see in this way she has given her introduction.